So, Tim, kind of going into this pandemic here in the States, the economy here was generally in decent shape, and I think the expectation is, given all the federal stimulus and the fact of the fiscal stimulus coming out of Washington, that there will be a light at the end of the tunnel. How about what's the feel in Europe as to the economic outlook as this pandemic, as we kind of get to the other side of this pandemic? What's the outlook just for general economic activity?
Well, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. You can see here a small pin-up formation in 1 minute time frame on IMRN. Expecting that's gonna pull back a little bit after this surge here. That's raised huge percent here. Not sure what the news are here. Alright, we're about to open. I have about a minute. You guys are doing good today. Alright, let's see how this is gonna work out. mRNA. $12.50. This is incredible. Expecting this gonna pull back a little bit though. It's gonna get halted probably out of the gates too after this surge. Got this one pulling back. Macy's and Ball dropping. OPK coming back up towards the $3 mark. I see IZEA pulling hard onto the BWAP. Okay, pulling back really strong here. You know, expecting a pullback. Because it's a little overextended, you know. It's something that I wasn't surprised by this, really. Macy's Val. MARN. Coming strong to the downside. IGPAOs, DGLY dropping really hard, rejecting 50 simple moving average in the 5-minute time frame. My back is feeling a little bit better, to be honest with you, after the camera thing. I spent the day at the pool yesterday with the kids, and it helped out a lot. I have also a big tree in the yard, and sat down over there in a reclining chair, and I kind of like I was snoozing out, you know. So it was good. It was good afternoon yesterday. I enjoyed my time yesterday with the kids. Everybody was out in the yard yesterday enjoying the nice weather we had yesterday. Yesterday's action in the morning, the market hours were not as I expected. my RN. I mean AMRN here. Really close to the BUAB. A little bit consolidation here. Image is going higher today. This pullback right out of the gates on Macy's. Supposedly they are expecting they opened about 400 stores all throughout the nation. And the stores are doing actually better than they expected, and also they have a lot of inventory that they're gonna be selling. They're gonna be able to roll out of the warehouses, right? Because the stores were closed. So Macy's seem to be moving today, but again, I'm still watching this thing here on top of the View app, getting a little bit of consolidation, and we having a couple of the red candles here on the 1 minute time frame. I think seems like it's gonna hold that View app and break the prior 1 minute low, $10.36. Let's see here. I don't want to anticipate the move because the first 5 minute candles from Macy's surely shows a little bit of indecision. There you go, it broke the $10.36. Next leg. It's 11:33. OXY dropping fast. Macy's pulling here. Tapping that 50 simple moving average in the 1 minute time frame. And watch this consolidation on IMRN. This can have a next leg up here. Looking at CTX ramping up here. CTX. CTX. Prior daily resistance $2.35, now broken. Next leg up, daily level $3.18. Close to the $0.50. CATX is racking up here.
Trump alleged without substantiation that an elderly protester who was shoved to the ground and seriously injured by
CTX hovering around the whole ooh, $5 area here. Pull back. Pull back. Somebody sitting with 15,000 shares at 250. The spread was about a cent. Now increased to 6 cents a spread here. CI going back on top of the $2. At least it's tapping the $2 right now. Macy's bear flag pattern formation 1 minute time frame. Bear flag pattern formation 1 minute time frame on Macy's. Was the GLY halted there? Yep, the GAY was halted. The GAY halted. Macy's going down. Prior low 989. TGLY just resumed. The GLY is dropping quick. Macy's stopping at 996, 989, 989 prior low, 989 prior low. He's just bouncing here. I think we're gonna be pushed down again towards the 889 level. We're gonna have a retest down there. Holding this area here. IMRN coming down 930. Got a consolidation on the 1 minute time frame on CTX. DGLY coming back up. And this is we saw this one ramp up years and years ago. Now we're back in play due to the police brutality. These are the bodily cameras on the uniforms. Makes without 1 minute consolidation here. Retapping the 990 again, coming down. Bit stacking the 991. Retapping the prior low. Macy's coming down really strong. Macy's dropping fast though. He's started to hover around here on top of the view app. Hell came up, but he had a reversal, right? Down here printed bird flag pattern. Came down here, had a little bit of consolidation and broke the prior low. $9.96 here. $9.90, I'm sorry. $9.89. And now had the follow through. You see it here. I think at some point we're gonna have a little bit of a bounce. OPK possible bear flag pattern, 5-minute time frame. TGLY hold it again. OPK spinning top on top of the 100 simple moving average on a 5-minute time frame. Holding there. So we got WPX here. WPX. TLO. Apache. WPX looks a little bit of a round bottom. Buddy, you're talking about BOXL. Talking about what time frame are you talking about though? On BOXL, what time frame are you referring to? You sure that looks pretty ugly though? A bunch of wicks right there looks like a net. OBK. No chance to short and OBK. IMRN. Take a look at IMRN. I'll be coming right back up. What's your Macy's?
Again, the fact that they can be jet setting around the world doing deals.
990 low here, tap.
Bloomberg News.
5 minute time frame. Don't give me indication that we might drop right away. So gotta watch how he hovers around this area. See if we're gonna take out 888 here. Gotta let it interact with this area here a little bit. Not trying to anticipate the move here. Okay, drop. See that? Left me out. Left me out. Okay. 982. 981. Macy's has come down pretty strong since the open. See a high here of 1046, close to the $half area. We dipped to a low here of 969. Talking about 80 cents here, which this downtrend might be slowing down here in this 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame candle here, it's key. I don't want to anticipate the move, so I'd rather let it close to see how the price is really going to react, because I don't want to short into support. And it looks like this downtrend is already slowing down a little bit. So I think we're gonna flag on the 5 minutes. We're gonna close this candle and we're gonna print another candle. We're probably gonna stay sideways a little bit on the 5 and then right back up from there. So I'm really trying not to anticipate a move here. I'm gonna keep it on watch. See here? So I think we're gonna flag a little bit on the 5. I'm not trying to be a superhero here, jumping and just pulling the trigger on the wind. The GLY possible bull flag pattern, 5 minute time frame. Possible bull flag, 5 minute time frame. Alright, so I am listening to news here on news report on CHK Chesapeake Energy. Supposedly they might file for bankruptcy though. It has increased its value, a crazy value over the last couple of days, and yesterday was halted like I don't know how many times. It would be a good idea to keep an eye on it, but if you guys are long on it, I will definitely recommend that you guys take something out, because if they really file for bankruptcy, those gains, they're probably gonna drop quick. $13.86. $13.86. JetBlue low. Now 1390.
If you're in a Chapter 11 proceeding, you may end up with shares that are worthless in the end. So, that hasn't deterred people clearly in the case of Hertz, and it doesn't look like it's deterring them in the case of Chesapeake Energy either, depending on how that situation shakes out.
Just on a slightly different subject, Dave, SoftBank's Vision Fund, of course, we're following this so closely. It's such an interesting story, but it's preparing to cut staff by about 15%, so as many as 80 employees for the London-based Vision Fund.
Okay, so JetBlue has a short sale restriction here. It has dropped 11% today.
But also some wild things in the market.
Tapping that
This is just another
close to 1186.
example of how it's cutting back on its spending because it just has to.
Also, American Airlines down 11.67% of stuff right now. OPK bear flag pattern. Bear flag pattern. Rejecting that 50 simple moving average 5-minute time frame. Coming down. 272.
Dave, I know you read a lot of the strategy work coming off of Wall Street Journal. Everybody's lists here. Are people really starting to, kind of raise or ring the bell that maybe valuations have just gotten way too ahead of themselves given the earnings cuts we've seen and the big moves we've seen up in the equity indices?
There's been a lot of that, no question. A lot of focus on what they call forward earnings, the whole idea of what are profit estimates looking like for the next 12 months. Of course, there's a real question there because in a lot of cases, you're not even going to have profits. When you consider when the S&P 500 analysts looking for a 44% decline in earnings in the second quarter, and a whole lot of the areas in the market, they're going to end up with losses instead of profits. So, we'll see how all those numbers shake out. Yeah, but it's clear that if you're doing stuff today, you're kind of factoring in next year's earnings. But I did see one research report today suggested stocks are even expensive when you look at 2021 projections for profits. So, it is definitely an issue at this point, valuation, at least for a whole lot of strategists and investors as well.
And let's not forget that things like deals have been put on hold. So once M&A gets underway again, we could be seeing even more fire in this market. It's kind of
Yeah, it's interesting. We'll have to much on that on kind of the deals market and what's kind of going on there. Bloomberg Senator Dave Wilson, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Bonnie, it's interesting. We're seeing markets are pulled back. And to me, kind of being in the markets for over 30 years, this just feels like a calm, kind of step back. Let's just reassess a little bit. We've had a big move. And in the absence of any significant economic news, maybe just a chance to kind of catch your breath a little bit. But they're looking at the S&P off about more than 1%, the Dow off about 1.25% here. So just a little bit of a pullback right here as we trade on Tuesday. Right now, let's head down to Washington, D.C. for world and national headlines with Nathan Hager. Nathan, what do you have for us?
Well, Paul, after nearly 2 weeks of protests sparked by the police killing of an unarmed black man in Minneapolis, that
Macy's
laid to rest today.
broke that support trend line here.
Of Praise Church in
That low was 985.
live stream. The church's co-pastor Mia Wright says the service will include calls for justice and
Tap 989.
the protests have led to calls
Kept,
to
kept going down.
the promise from Minneapolis City Council members to dismantle their
Can see here how
Democrat Illinois
we had that little formation on the 1 minute, right?
does not have the ability to have public safety. And so what we are advocating for is a reorientation.
And Joe Biden's presidential campaign says he does not support defunding police, but does see an urgent need for reform. Biden tells CBS News police departments should meet certain standards before they get federal funding. President Trump is lashing out at that elderly protester in Buffalo who was left seriously injured when police shoved him to the ground. On Twitter, the president called 75-year-old Martin Gugino a provocateur
960 low 1 minute. 960 low 1 minute. See if we're gonna get a butterfly pattern here in the 1 minute time frame. See if we're gonna get a butterfly pattern formation in the 1 minute time frame here. I have a little bit of a hammer here on the 5 here now. 960 low 1 minute time frame. 960 low 1 minute time frame. $45,000 shares selling. 963. 45, 34,000. 34,000 shares selling. 963 here. 961, 23,000 bidder. Keeps going. Towards 950. We have consolidation here. Selling might end up going here. 10,959, 10,000 share bid, 10,000 share bid, 969. We're gonna find a little bit of support around this area. We're gonna consolidate around here a little bit. Selling going through 960, 16,000 shares selling right there on the spot. Price gonna keep pushing down the price a little bit more here. $10,000 shares still 555, 955. 10,000 shares 955. Coming under the 100 simple moving average 15-minute time frame. Ooh, this is good stuff. We have a 1 minute time frame. We're gonna bounce here a little bit. Watch key level 968. $12,000 shares seller 961. I'm a 5-minute time frame hammer on Macy's. 5-minute time frame hammer on Macy's. 968. Kilo 968. Kilo 968. Watch for that area there. 968. Bid stacking 963 here. Coming down. I think we still got a couple of minutes to go here. I think this hammer's gonna print in the 5. We still have 2 minutes and a half to go. I'm gonna doji now. See how fast and how long they're gonna hold it. Things, oof, coming strong.
Jimmy Liss, Jewish communal leader and philanthropist, talks about why she chose the Jewish Communal Fund for her family's charitable giving.
For a lot of people, it would be the convenience factor. I don't have to track anything.
If charitable giving
10,000 shares, 955.
JCM can help you organize your philanthropy with our donor-advised fund. A fund can be established with a minimum tax-deductible contribution of $5,000.
Selling comes through still 12,000 shares. 12,000 shares, 956.
At the year end, our board awards community grants from fees and endowment income to UJ's annual campaign. We also make gifts to specific
Doji in the 5, like I said.
cost survivors.
Still gonna consolidate this 5-minute time frame candle here. It's really a key level.
That's what makes us different.
Minute and a half to go. Still sellers going through 959, 10,000, 11,000. 10,000, 11,000. Still key level to watch here. Hammer 5 minutes. Still holding tight the 5-minute candle, like I mentioned a minute or so ago, a couple of minutes ago, really. Okay, this flag formation here. Flag. We got a flag here in the 1 minute. 5-minute candle closed. 5-minute candle closed. We might have a bounce right here. A bounce right here. 968 key level though. We are getting support on the 100 simple moving average on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame support. 15-minute time frame support.
Yeah, thanks, Bonnie. I don't think so. In fact, we're not expecting any major changes. I think the devil of this meeting is going to be in the details. So we wouldn't be surprised if the New York Fed, after the initial statement comes out, says that it's going to start buying T-bills in some size. That's something that the Federal Reserve has avoided doing. But now as we get
10,961. Still consolidation here. See how fast or how far we're gonna go into this 5-minute candle here on the green side. Key level area 968 and a possible bear flag formation on the 5 minutes. We gotta wait for the 5-minute candle here to close. See if we close on the green side, and then how fast we're gonna reverse right back down on it. So again, see what happens here. 968 was key level here. 968 prior high here. This little consolidation, this stop formation right here. So you broke that level. Okay. We have to wait for the 5-minute candle to close and come under the low of this 5-minute candle for that bear flag formation to actually print. So we gotta wait for this one to close and then have another candle get on the lower side, break down the low of this candle here, be 959, in order for us to get a bear flag pattern formation in the 5-minute time frame. Like I mentioned to you guys, this 5-minute candle that closed before what we have in right now was a key level. I expected a little bit of a bounce there, and we had the 100 simple moving average in the 15-minute time frame. If any of you guys were holding there, I hope that you took some or you got out and just expected that, I don't know, another little bit of a follow through if we can get some more down under this possible bear flag pattern formation on the 5-minute time frame on Macy's. See what's happening here. Key level 968. We having a doji on the 5. Not now, but the prior candle I'm saying. And that's the candle that I expected to see this little bit of a bounce. We started printing that candle with a hanging man, actually with a hammer on the 5-minute time frame. You can see that reversal happening here. Okay, we're coming down. I mean, we coming up. We're coming up. See how far we're gonna go here. How tall this 5-minute candle is gonna be printed on the green side. OPK flagging on 5. GPH in the bounce towards the VWAP. Okay, we got 40 seconds to go on the 5-minute candle here. So we gotta get under the prior 5-minute candle low in order for us to have something. Gonna let's see. I'll take a look here at GPS real quick. We might end up having a little reversal. Looks like we're rejecting that 100 simple moving average up there. Pretty decent downtrend right there, Macy's. Nice pattern breakdown. Macy's just bouncing us off right now. And for us to get a little bounce trade, long gone for now. So gotta let it go and consolidate. Macy's printed a pretty decent bear flag pattern here. I don't know. It was green. Now the candle's red. I don't know how these things happen, but this is not the first time that I see this TC2000 change up formation patterns on me. Like patterns get green, then the candles get red. I don't know how that works. I don't know how they do this. I love TC2000. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes candles they change colors for some reason. I don't know how they do that. They shouldn't do that. Okay, 15-minute candle about to close in GPS in the next minute and a half. Macy's is turning red again. Just give it a minute. So we gotta break the low of this thing here, see if we're gonna have some follow through the downside. So the low of this candle here is 959. It's just coming right back down. GPS rejecting the View app. GPS rejecting the View app. Macy's still coming down here. Gotta break the low of this candle here. I'm not gonna take that now anyway, but coming down 959. Watching GPS, possible reversal around the $13 mark, 1297 area towards the 1267.
Why is the debt to GDP ratio still so low? Those things, once they're set in place, stay around for years.
Bloomberg Radio, the Bloomberg Business Radio.com and iHeartRadio apps at BloombergRadio.com. Broadcasting live from the Bloomberg Interactive Brokers Studio in New York. Bloomberg 103.1 to Washington, D.C. Bloomberg 99.1 to Boston. Bloomberg 106.1 to San Francisco. Bloomberg 960 to the country. Sirius XM Channel 119 and around the globe. The Bloomberg Business app and BloombergRadio.com. This is Bloomberg Markets.
Coming up, we're going to take a look at the M&A market. M&A bankers no longer jet-setting around the world to get deals done. How are they working? Plus, retired Navy Admiral James Stavridis, former military commander of NATO and a Bloomberg opinion columnist, he's going to come on to discuss his column entitled, Why Military Leaders Like Me Are Speaking Out. First, let's go to Greg Jarrett with Bloomberg News for a Bloomberg Business Flash. Greg.
Well, it was a screen sheet haul that's eased up a little bit, Paul. The S&P did stop its surge that drove the gauge higher for 2020, led by energy companies and banks. Small cap shares slumped after a 10% advance in the Russell 2006 June sessions. Airlines, cruise operators, travel stocks all faltered. Macy's, however, soared after announcing it has reopened 450 stores in one capacity or another. Reload markets every 15 minutes. S&P is down 1%, down 32. Dow's down 1.1%, down 307, and the Nasdaq is down 0.25%, down 26. The 10-year is up 19 to 32nd, the yield is 0.81%. West Texas Intermediate crude oil is now down 0.4% at 38.05 a barrel. Mexican gold is up 1.4% at 7.28.
GPS getting a little bit of support around 1309.
The euro $1.1342, and the British pound
Star formation at 1312. That was probably high.
plummeted for April to the lowest since 2014. Net separations remain elevated as the pandemic rips through the labor market with devastating speed. Yes, the JOLTS report is out. The number of available positions dropped to 5.05 million from a revised 6.01 million in March. That is a Bloomberg Business Report. I'm Greg Jarrett.
Bloomberg Opinion. Informed perspectives and expert data-driven commentary on breaking news.
It is time for Wall Street time for Bloomberg Opinion. Let's start with Bloomberg Opinion columnist Tara Chappelle. She covers entertainment, telecommunications, and deals for Bloomberg Opinion. Tara, thanks so much for joining us here. You know, I'm a big fan of the M&A market. Like to see deals come across the table. Usually that merger Monday, we see some big deals. And I always, the first thing I do when I see a deal story house, I go to the bottom of the story to see who the advisors are. You know, talk to us a little bit about what's happening in the world of M&A. How bankers getting deals done.
It's just going sideways right now. Macy's just going sideways right now.
I mean, it's the expectation that the M&A markets are really not going to come back until we really, get a vaccine and kind of put this pandemic behind us? Or is there a sense that, companies and bankers and lawyers can adapt and kind of start getting things done even before then?
Thirteen, 16, 18,000 share bid. GPS.
Tara, thank you so much for joining us. We always love having you on Tara LaChapelle Entertainment, telecommunications, and deals columns for opinion. You can read Tara's work at bloomberg.com/opinion, plus all the other great opinion columns that we have. You can also get it at PIN Go or Terminal 4. You folks do an outstanding work. I highly recommend it. Right now, let's head down to Washington, D.C. studios. Go to national headlines with Nathan Hager. Nathan, what do you have for us?
George Floyd is being laid to rest today. The man whose death in the hands of Minneapolis police has sparked global protest. Will be buried beside his mother after a private funeral in Houston. As that service begins, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz is asking for an 8-minute, 46-second moment of silence at noon Wall Street time. As the length of time fired officer Derek John put his knee to Floyd's neck. All this a day after congressional Democrats introduced a series of police reform measures. Senator Kamala Harris tells ABC's Good Morning America it's not about defunding the police.
This is about the fact that good policing is good for America, that racism hurts all Americans regardless of their race.
Harris is considered a potential choice to be Joe Biden's running mate. Biden says he doesn't support defunding police either, though he has called for more spending on community policing and body cameras. There's new evidence emerging in the police killing of a black man in New Jersey. About a dozen audio and video recordings have been released, I should say, showing a state trooper fired his handgun 6 times, killing Maurice Gordon during a traffic stop last month on the Garden State Parkway. New Jersey's Attorney General has also identified the officer for the first time as Sergeant Randall Wetzel. The case will be presented to a grand jury under a 2019 law aimed at holding law enforcement accountable. It's a primary election day in 5 states, and with all of them allowing some kind of mail-in voting, it could be a preview of things to come in November. There have been long lines reported in Georgia, where Democrats at one precinct reported all the machines were down. Atlanta's mayor is encouraging voters to stay in line and request provisional ballots. Global news, 24 hours a day on air and on Quick Take by Bloomberg.
Watching GPS. consolidation here.
The world's financial decision makers connect on the Bloomberg terminal. The buy side and the sell side together, collaborating across markets and countries in real time, sharing ideas, negotiating trades, and forming an influential network of over 325,000 financial professionals that help power global markets. Is it time you join them? Request a demo at bloomberg.com/professional.
Watching GPS, possible reversal.
I founded Young Trees back in 2016, taking what I learned from my research at HIT and migrating it to the start. Our technology is through the enhanced land management operations. So we work very closely with land management companies. So we have a drone that performs precision reforestation and to start damage assessment. And the existing drones that can collect data so it's much faster. And what's more important, we help them drive management decisions. HIT has been there every step of the way. Goes full force with my company.
NJIT, New Jersey Institute of Technology. Learn more at njit.edu.
Asset managers who
Consolidation here.
strategies, add distribution channels, or exploit new technology to re-engineer the investor experience are often rewarded. However, in an industry paralyzed with complexity, few act with agility or decisively. Few run their businesses strategically. Yet the most competitive managers in the market know with the right partner and a flexible operating system.
Spider going higher.
Boldly toward change with SCI Investment Manager Services.
I'm Steve Meyer, president of SCI's Investment Manager Services. At SCI, we understand the emerging forces that will define success for asset managers and what firms will need to compete tomorrow. That's why we continually optimize SCI's global operating platform. If your business requires greater agility, our advanced technology, integrated best-in-class systems, and deep asset expertise can be your catalyst for business transformation.
SCI Investment Manager Services lead the charge in a competitive marketplace. Learn more at SEIC.com/seize change. The narrative is driven by uncertainty about the virus.
Economic shifts, the macro clearly being driven by the coronavirus outbreak. Everything seems to be in motion.
Will it also mean a global recession in your view now?
But here, you're on solid ground.
Looking forward to guiding you through all of this.
Bloomberg Radio, the Bloomberg Business Network, BloombergRadio.com. Bloomberg, the world.
Hi guys. Hey, hey, come here. Come here.
Is your financial future evolving to keep
How are you? Hey,
at Command
you guys okay?
we are redefining
Go, let's.
by providing industry-leading
Nathan, come.
leveraging technology and honing processes and best practices. Every day, Command hosts SEC registrars as well.
Go. Let's. Close the door, please. IMRN seems like it has a wanna kind of want to have a second leg up though. And Macy's dropped like crazy. Check out Macy's though. Look at this thing. Consolidation. It broke down. This butterfly pattern on the 5 kept going down. It dipped to 928. 959. That was pretty decent 30-cent move there. Not bad at all. ISEN. YZ. Sorry. Okay. Macy's. On Macy's, we took a short, pretty decent short, not too long ago. I'm talking about when it was consolidating down here. We had a pretty decent bear flag pattern formation on the one here. I don't know why TC2000 changed it up on me afterwards. This candle here was green, so we had a bear flag pattern formation here on this candle. The follow through, a little consolidation breaking down here. Took a decent short here under the low of this pattern, which was here at 989. I don't take the all the way down here. 979. It's only 3 cents away. I try to take the midpoint anyway. 979 here, 982. I posted this stuff not too long ago when it was actually printing. I put the first trend line here on this pattern as it was forming, and I took a screenshot of this thing and I shared it with the guys on Discord. By the way, let me just share the link here for those of you guys that might be interested in coming through. It's free anyway. And we took a nice short here, going down, and as we printed the bear flag hammer formation here in the 1 minute, which was this doji candle here, I figured that candle was actually the point where we're gonna have a decent bounce, which it did. Gave us a nice bear flag pattern under the low of this 5 here, 959, as I was just talking about it when it was printing it. As of right now, I'm not holding anything, and I am not in because I don't want to short into support. This hammer here on the 5 minute with the low 928 looks a little strong, so I don't want to get in a short into that area there. We also had a 910 here, just 920 and 910. It's too close on the daily, 10 cents only. 10 cents only, and we see the spider going higher right now. Oftentimes Macy's move alongside with the overall market, so I'm not going to be taking any shorts here. I liked the patterns that he printed back on this top and this pin-up formation on the 1 minute time frame for a breakdown, right? It worked out very well, but as of right now, I don't have anything open there, and I'm not trying to get anything there either. See DGLY printing a same pattern, 5 minutes. It's Macy's. I don't have any shares for sure in that one. Already checked out. So check out this thing on DGLY. Probably gonna keep coming down. GPS, I actually thought we were gonna have a reversal under the view app. It didn't work out as I expected, but it kept coming up. It's a little bit strong. I'm watching IMRN. Looked like it wanted to have a second run, and it actually moved pretty nicely. It had like a dollar move from that bottom at 659, around that area. Came up to $8.24, so it was actually a pretty decent move there. ICEA printed a nice hammer on the 5. Worked out pretty well. Still looking at GPS. Showing a little bit of a possible reversal here, but it's paying. Those red candles haven't moved in a strong way. Support has been holding a lot on GPS. So a low of that's 5-minute candle at 13.11 might come down here and hold, right? So right now we're just watching this thing, see how this is going to move. We have a topping candle in the 15 though. A topping candle in the 15, and the GLY is holding that trend line support, going towards the 650. Whole dollar, half dollar. Tapping the 650 now. Seems like it's gonna break out of that pin-up formation on the 5-minute time frame. Again, GPS is trending a little slow around that 13.11. We're talking about Macy's here. Let's see. You're talking about 11 cents, 612. Can you help me understand a little bit better? You're taking a hit on 11 cents. You're down 11 cents per share. But you're putting a date there, like 612. But we're not in the. We're not 612. Like we're in June 9th. Can you help me understand a little bit better what you meant with that comment right there? Okay, we're going down here. GPS. A lot of selling. 1307, 1306. Looks like the sellers are coming in now. You have 1306. GPS has been a little bit resilient. It has actually pulled back, but its pullbacks have been bought up and been holding. I expect this bounce to probably be reshorted again under the 50 simple moving average on the 1 and get right back under the VWAP. Macy's had good news today. Regardless of the news, it dropped. So if those good news get some traction, and they might, there's a strong possibility that it might bounce back. Although, to be honest with you, I don't really understand everything that you wrote on the comment. But I think it has an opportunity to bounce back. Consolidation here on GPS still. And DGLY keeps going sideways. See how far we're gonna go. Market pulling back now. Oh yeah, indeed. Those are my favorites. Those nice reversals, they work out pretty well. They work out pretty well, Sean. I like those reversals. He was clean though. He was clean. We had a couple of nice patterns there that had some follow through. So it was fairly easy trade on that in that regard. GPS here, consolidation break. We got the view app 1306. Tapping view app now. Got a doji in the 15. I don't like it now. It's been too resilient. This thing hasn't had the follow through that I expected to see. Give me a minute here. Yeah, I was printing some things for homeschooling. My son had to do something, so I was printing the things I have. Again, my whole little office here at the house, and you know, things that we have here, that printers and everything. So I have everything in one room. Macy's bouncing right back up. GPS, some follow through. It looks a little bit better now in the 15 minutes though. $13.02. See, the thing is that the follow through there is really complicated. It's been really complicated. Write this down here. Okay. There you go. And his name now, he has to trace these things now. Gonna help him out a little later with his homework. Also gotta help out Nathan. Let's see what Nathan has to do today. Gotta take a look at that. Close this and check out what my other son has to do. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Okay. That's good stuff. Okay, I get it. Let me print this thing. Color. Copy this one. Print. Okay. Alright, so GPS following through there, but kind of slow. DGOY actually broke down as we were talking about here. We had the same pattern as Macy's a minute or so ago. Look, on the drop it was halted. You can see here the same kind of pattern that we had on Macy's a couple of minutes ago. Came up, reversed, and on one candle it dropped about what is that? 65 cents on one candle. Let's see how GPS is actually going to move here. Alright guys, give me a minute here. I'll be right back. Make sure that I don't print all the way to page number 7. I don't want to print that page number 7. Okay, back here. I got all the little fishy things here. A couple of fishy friends. Pretty sure he's gonna have fun. Hope you guys are having fun. Wow, look at that. That's nice follow through so far. Not convincing yet. Not convincing at all. OAS reversal there looks a little bit better. OAS. Do I have shares to short that one there? Nope, I don't have any. been slow in GPS, but moving okay. If you look at the top, really, that reversal happened with a spinning top formation on the top up there on the 5-minute time frame on GPS, right on top of the 50 simple moving average right here. It has worked okay. I actually thought it was gonna have this reversal here when it started to reject the view app on this area here. He surged up a lot more, and then he had a reversal here when it actually rejected or didn't hold that support on the 50. The spinning top formation, the stopping candle here for that reversal. Pretty decent though. What was that? Okay, wait, down here. Yeah, so pretty much the entry was at this spot, breaking down the 1318 area. I missed it. Then look at this thing when we had a bear flag pattern formation right here, came down from that area. 12 to 11, came up, down, so far 1289. Decent trend, decent movement, but not the greatest right now, and really slow. But it is what it is, you know. If you're able to hold and you're okay holding for a couple of minutes, you can do pretty decently. Yeah, I think I had some scissors here somewhere. Oh yeah, look, they're right here. Oh, I need to use them to cut those things. Somebody need a haircut, right? Anyway. Alright guys, so anyway, I'm gonna take a step back here. This thing is a little slow now, and it's rolling up to noon, so I'm really trying to, since you know my back is still hurting a little bit, I'm trying not to be sitting the whole day here. So I'm trying to keep up with a schedule. So I'm sitting down at 8 something in the morning. By noon I want to be up. I want to be able to walk around, go eat something, whatever, and then come back around 1:30, maybe 2 o'clock for the rest of the afternoon moves, see what we can find there. But for now, I'm just gonna take a step back here. I want to keep the conversation running on Discord, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this morning. So far I have. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Take care. And for those of you that don't are not participating on the group, you can find an invitation link in the description of this video. And again, it's free, so you can just come in and share ideas with us. See you guys in a little while. Take care. Enjoy.